Good morning. This is Mr. Ayazuddin S from Pune, Maharashtra State, India. In the last lecture, I talked about one of the basic things that one should remember before going into the detailed provisions of income tax or before touching our main topic, that is income tax disputes, subject-wise income tax disputes and Supreme Court judgments on them right from 1970 to 2020. Now, today, right now, we'll discuss the second important thing about income tax. The second thing is about income. Income definition, or one must know very carefully the term or the word income, because on it government takes the tax from you. So please remember this term very carefully. So let us talk about income. Income is the thing on which government takes the tax. There are various types of income on which government takes the tax. But important types of income that are that are mentioned in the Act are salary income, income from renting house property, your house property, then profit from sale of your flat or your land, then profit from your business, if you are doing business. Then fifth one is interest income on fixed deposit and dividend income on your shareholding from the company. These are 5 sources of income one gets if he is working in that particular income group. A government servant or employee gets the salary, then a businessman gets the profit, then investor gets the profit from sale of asset or sale of property. Then there are people who invest in FD and shares, so they get dividend. And they also get what you call interest if they put money in fixed deposit. So these are the 5 major sources of income, and government depends very much on this income for their fund requirement. Government has to spend money for various purposes. So for that revenue or income is required. So they tax the income on these 5 types of income. They take the income on these 5 types of income, and they meet their yearly expenses. So this is the scheme of income tax. Then another important item of income is that is income. We may call it as income which actually is not income. There is income, but actually it is not income, but still we call it, or the Income Tax Act calls it as income. So I am talking about dividend, deemed income. Deemed income. What is deemed income? A deemed income is one which is not actually income, but stat- statue or act consider it as your income. So that is why it is a somebody considered this as income, though it is not income, but the authority the act that supreme authority consider it as income. So in technical language, the act calls it as deemed income. So we have something learned about deemed income. So these are the types of income on on which government takes the tax. So this is the term. Second important thing we must remember. Then we'll proceed to third important thing, that is a person. In the next lecture, we'll talk about a person. Who is a person? Why he is called person? So now we'll take halt. Then we'll go to our next video.